Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to rearrange or customize the layout of the fields of your forms on Hubspot from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Hubspot account as an administrator. So as you guys can see here, here's what my dashboard looks like, and the idea is we'd want to get access to the forms configurator. And to get there, you guys want to go to marketing, and that's normally found on the top left corner of the screen between conversations and sales. So it's this option right here. So we're going to click on this drop down, and from here select forms like so, and it should take us to this page right here. Now from here, you guys could create a new form from scratch like so by clicking on create new form, but I'm just going to use the one I have here. So if you were to configure it, you could click on edit or simply click on it like so. You can also edit multiple forms. And here you actually have the option to edit your form. So to do that, click on this button right here that says edit form. And it should take you to this page right here where you get to configure the layout or the design or order of all of the fields that they need to fill up on your form. So here you could rearrange it, but the thing that we cannot change is the default one or the default fields, which are the first name, last name, and email, because these ones are mandatory. Now it's going to look like this. We can rearrange it. We can have it. We can have the country region set at the very top, so this way it takes priority, or we can change it to however you want. So either way, it doesn't really matter. You could also add some forms of CAPTCHA to it for security. You have consent checkboxes if you want. So I agree to the terms and conditions, blah, 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 that kind of thing. Payment, you can enable it or disable it. Contact properties, lead status, so on and so forth. So here's how you actually edit the entire layout of the form. And once you guys have made your changes and you're happy with it, you're ready to actually post the form. Simply hit an update, save, and you guys should be done. So yeah, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.